Hey there. So I wanted to do a quick review on this very orange vehicle here. It's a convertible. As far as the front, the hood does open. The doors both open. The hatchback opens as well. It's pretty cool. The only complaint I have is the spoiler keeps coming off. We glued it and it still pops off if every once in a while, if I guess you're playing too rough with it, but just keep that in mind. It doesn't affect anything. And here is a comparison on how large this vehicle is compared to just a regular old Hot Wheels. So, thanks.